So if you Google what is a stakeholder, you get this: an individual, group, or organization that has an interest in or is affected by the activities and outcomes of a project or initiative. About as clear as mud. So, what I'm going to do now is explain it properly. A stakeholder is anyone who cares about what you're doing. That's it, put simply. Your boss cares because they're paying for it. Customer cares because they're using it. The IT team cares because they're building it. The finance director cares because it's costing money. And even Dave from the warehouse cares because the new system is going to change how he does his job. They're all stakeholders. They all have an opinion, and half of them disagree with each other. Welcome to business analysis. Now, the reason why BAs obsess over stakeholders is because if you miss one, your project has a good chance of just blowing up. So imagine you build a whole new system and nobody asks my man Dave from the warehouse what he needs. The system goes live, it launches, but Dave can't do his job. Dave complains to his manager now. His manager escalates things to the director. The director pulls the plug on the whole thing. That's 6 months of your work as a BA dead because no one talked to Dave in the warehouse. That's why stakeholder analysis exists. You figure out who cares, how much power they have, and how to keep them happy, or at least try to stop them from killing the actual project. Now, the BCS tests this with something called a power interest grid. I've mentioned this before. You map every stakeholder based on how much power they have and how interested they are. So high power, high interest, that's your key player. So you have to manage them closely. High power, low interest, keep them satisfied. Don't bore them with too many details. The BCS Foundation exam loves testing the second one, so high power, low interest, because candidates always mix it up with just keeping them informed. That's stakeholders. No jargon, no textbook waffle, just plain straight up. If you'd like to see how well you'd handle stakeholder questions on the actual BCS exam, take the free readiness quiz. The link is in the description. That's it for now. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.